We've got a slew of new openings at Disney parks from coast to coast, a big change for Disney Vacation Club members, and so much more on this All Ears News Roundup. Stay with us. Welcome everyone to All Ears News Roundup. I'm Margot Jordan, and before I get into the exciting Disney Parks news, all of us here at All Ears want to wish you the happiest holiday season yet. We are so appreciative of your support. Isn't this the most wonderful time of the year? Now, we know you've got all kinds of holiday festivities to attend, so we'll get the news rolling. First up, Rise of the Resistance is open. The hype has been building. We've heard it's Disney's most advanced ride ever, and that we won't believe it when we ride it. As of December 5th, it was time to find out if the ride lived up to our expectations. Spoiler alert, it did. We know a lot of you are avoiding the real spoilers, but if you want info and a look inside the attraction, be sure to check out our ride-through video here. Next up, Riviera Resort is now inviting guests. Disney World has opened its newest hotel, Riviera Resort, on December 16th. This Disney Vacation Club resort is stylish and massive. Adding 300 more rooms to Walt Disney World Resort, it's the 15th DVC resort and the first standalone one to be built in over 8 years. Riviera Resort offers 5 room types: Tower Studios, Deluxe Studios, 1-bedroom villas, 2-bedroom villas, and 3-bedroom grand villas. Tower Studios are a first-of-their-kind room design for Walt Disney World and suit parties of 2 or fewer with a Murphy-style bed. Riviera Resort also has the distinction of having a dedicated Skyliner station with direct access to Epcot. The resort is complete with a slew of new dining options. Le Petit Café in the resort's lobby will serve coffee and pastries in the morning and transform into a wine bar at night. Primo Piatto and Bar Riva serve quick service food throughout the day, including coffee and grab-and-go items. Topolino's Terrace, flavor of the Riviera, is a rooftop restaurant with an attached terrace. Inspired by the Mediterranean and the Riviera, the menu features pasta, fish and seafood, and fresh preparations. Fun fact, Topolino's Terrace is also home to a new character breakfast with Mickey the artist, Minnie the poet, Donald the sculptor, and Daisy the dancer. Breakfast is a prefix meal that starts with pastries and includes an entree. Better get those reservations set. We've got more details, menus, and more over at AllEars.net. Plus, stay tuned for a full tour of the resort from Molly coming very soon. I'd hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss it. Thought those were the only openings at Walt Disney World? Think again. We've got plenty more on the horizon, and this week we got a bunch of official opening dates. We learned that Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway will open in Hollywood Studios on March 4th, 2020. This will be the first ride in Disney starring Mickey ever. Wonder what took them so long. We also got a peek inside the attraction. Pretty awesome, right? Hollywood Studios will also welcome Mickey Shorts Theater in March 2020. What else is opening, you ask? Epcot Films. January 17th will be a busy day in Epcot. Not only is it the opening of Epcot's Festival of the Arts, but it's also premiere day for Canada Far and Wide in the Canada Pavilion and Awesome Planet in the Land Pavilion. But that isn't all. We'll be able to sing along with Belle, Lumiere, The Beast, and more when the Beauty and the Beast sing-along opens in the France Pavilion. Toy Story Land will be getting a table service restaurant opening in 2020. Roundup Rodeo promises to be immersive and something you can only experience through Toy Story. Any DuckTales fans out there? Then this tidbit of news is just for you. Scrooge McDuck, Donald, Launchpad, Webby, and the Nephews are coming to Epcot next year via the Play Disney Parks app titled DuckTales World Showcase Adventure. In other news, during the D23 Expo in August, we learned a lot about the new Star Wars hotel, including its name, Star Wars Galactic Starcruiser. This week, it was announced that the new resort and style of vacation will open in Disney World in 2021. Next, Disneyland Park will debut a brand new daytime parade on February 28, 2020 called Magic Happens. The parade will unite color, music, and fabulous Disney characters. Plus, in 2020, there will be 4 different Disneyland After Dark themed events: 80s Night, Sweethearts Night, Pixar Night, and Villains Night. These will be hard-ticketed events taking place in both Disneyland Park and Disney California Adventure after normal park hours. Select attractions will remain open during these events. Guests will also have access to unlimited downloads of the PhotoPass photos from the events. Give this video a like if you love all things unlimited. Disney Vacation Club is completely revamping its points chart for 2021, and it might have a serious impact on your vacation plans, though not necessarily in a bad way. What's changing is the number of seasons as well as which date ranges fall within those categories. Starting with bookings in 2021, there will be 7 of these new travel periods, each of increasing cost. Overall, the new system maintains a similar pricing structure as before, but with a bit more modularity. Christmas remains the most expensive time to go, while the first weeks of school in September remain the cheapest. However, this also means a shift in prices compared to 2020. For instance, if you book the first week of September at the Boardwalk Villas in 2020, it costs you 561 points. In 2021, it'll cost you 556 points instead. Now let's keep this news train moving. Inspired by the classic Beauty and the Beast, the new Belle of the Ball Bronze Color Trend collection is sure to add some fairy tale flair to your outfit. So rather than drawing upon the brilliant gold of Belle's famous ball gown, the new collection draws inspiration from her hair and eyes to create a unique palette. What do you think of this bronze trend? Tell us in the comments below. Before I let you go, I've got one more bit of news to share: upcoming refurbishments. So pay attention. Starting on January 6th, Cali River Rapids at Disney's Animal Kingdom and Splash Mountain at the Magic Kingdom will be shut down for their annual refurbishments. Cali River Rapids is not set to reopen until March 21st, while Splash Mountain is scheduled to reopen February 27th. Can't say we didn't warn you. And just like that, another All Ears News Roundup comes to a close. We hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Margot Jordan, and I'll see you soon. Happy holidays.